Good morning, Boracay, Boracay, baby! So now, the glass was in na. Isa man ang glass. Oh, gitapakan pag yun niya. So, labuak na. Woo! I will using the glass because I think it's so very, the sun was hitting me. That's why. I don't know, this glass was very from, oh, something hiwi na siya, no? So, dili na taka yan, mabalaka. Kaya ang glass hiwi na siya. Hop, di na siya kay Pugson. Kaya, oh, tanawa, dili na yun. Oh, guniti sa, no?
Hindi, ma'am.
Gunita na to, no? Ingani ang pagsuot sa tamang ng sunglasses.
Ganito
ang
ang
sa nato,
pagsuot
kay
ng
murag
tamang
nahimini na siya, nahimini. No? Oh, dili gid siya ma-stretch, guys. Oh, murag natayan na gid siya, kinahanglan ng oil. Nahimini na siya. Oh, wait. See the face?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful lady. Oh, relax, guys. Relax. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Gabaya ka sa ate para nakuha na kong nakukoy.
Exactly!
Wait. Beautiful, 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 beautiful baby. Bitaw, it's so nice. So I will ask one by one. Them, unsa gid ila makasulti? Ana. Managan na ay fish, managan. Right, dra. So ma'am, muna si Ma'am Juan. So what can you say sa Boracay baby?
Boracay baby is very awesome. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, that's what we call awesome baby. So, how about you, Irish? How did you experience? How's Boracay?
It feels like I'm in a paradise. You know?
Really? Hangover, sigwa kayo nun. How about you, ma'am? What can you say to the Boracay baby?
Boracay is so very
Amazing!
Hala, parehara sila giinom, puro amazing. How about you, sir?
Boracay is like heaven!
Like it is heaven, amazing! Alright! Tugs! Hala, resulta pa rin sa pamahaw, ma'am.
Anyways, guys, can you suggest,
minimum of 20 pesos only kay wala may kwarta.
anong magagawa ng 20 pesos po?
Ayun, maglimos meron.
At yung 20 pesos, manglimos me.
Limos
Naman,
meron.
ito yung ano dira, sir. Sunglasses.
See the beauty of, so it's me. Alright. Oh, see? So, was a nice place. The water is not cold and not also hot. It's warm. Yeah. Like, yeah, you know. So now we will go to other here.
Sir?
So now, bitaw, why is the gang roads, guys? Boracay is very something that you can relieve your stresses, you're depressed, which can really help you to, Okay nga na yung magana yung makita sa Boracay, samot ang imong stress. Okay nga na. Oh, mabuwak niyo.
Wala bigay gamay kayo?
Batay sila kay di na binan siya matiklop-tiklop, sir. Amot kinahanglag si oil. Alright.
Okay, right.
Oh, wait lang sir. Kaya amot asa naman ipadulong. Ako ading na akong nakita. Oh, sir,
This is
go.
our second day at Boracay. So
Yeah.
the Boracay is ano lang yun? Kanang lami lang yun.
The Boracay is this very big jug.
Labi kayo siya, kay daghan
Kami kay mga girls dire hubag. Hubag ug naong, hubag ug ubos.
Ubag tanan.
Hubag tanan. Mao na.
Sige, swim ma'am, swim. 1, 2, sa ubos lang kay lantawon ta mo.
Sige,
Ay, ewan na si sir. Ay, napod ka mo TikTok, ingon mo anak napod ko.
Acknowledge, sir.
Si sir ni anak. 1, 2, 3, sir, go. Sarap lang. Paniligi ka mo ko ay tigom-tigom po diya. Sige ra man ka tigom-tigom. Togs mood ba? One. Ano na ba? Pakita lang mo. Mara ka tigom. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice kay capture. Grabe sa live sa capture pag tiglom niya. No, klaro jud kayo yung color ang ana. So ikaw naman ma'am. Itiglam ma'am, face the camera.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.